Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I want to show you all these stacker rounds. These are from Scottsdale Mint. They're a private bullion manufacturer based in Arizona, and they make really good things. This one in particular I really like, and I've always wanted to get my hands on it, and I was able to recently. I want to show it off. You can see the lion there, get that in focus. The main design is done very well. The crown, it just looks so good. And you have the rays in the background. Yeah, this is nice. Really happy with this one. Look at the detail here. That's amazing. So yeah, these are the stacker rounds. They stack right on top of each other. The same design on the front, or the top, I guess you could say, is infused or stamped in on the bottom. So they just fit right into each other, stack into place. And as you can see, these are two different sizes. So this is a 2-ounce stacker round. Can you see that there? 2 troy ounces, 999 fine silver, stacker round. It says the same. It says Scottsdale Mint right there. It looks even better infused. It looks really good. I really like this. Super happy with this piece. Nice. This is the 100 gram. Just wanted to get a different size just to stack them. Really nice. I have a little dent on my 100 gram right here. You can see that. But it's not a chip, so I didn't lose any silver. I'm going to show you what it weighs. Oh, something not working here? Oh, right, because I left it on there. So yeah, 101.5 grams, not bad. This is the part I don't show you guys. I always weigh my silver. I always test it to the best of my abilities. 2.066. Every piece of silver I get, you wanna test it. You want to be sure, as much as you can be anyway, that it is silver, that it weighs the proper amount. Use a magnet if you want, weigh it, and when you handle silver enough, you can kind of feel the difference. So yeah, just want to show that off. Thank you very much for checking out this video. This is a Scottsdale Mint stacker round with the Scottsdale Lion logo. I'm Southside Stacker. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do some mood lighting. Yeah. Oh yeah. Make your best lion sound.
That's my best one.